tracking, always alerting. This is Next Weather.
And Next Weather meteorologist Nic Mariano is back now tracking our local forecast. Any rain or anything in the forecast for us, Nick?
Yeah, so we're looking at showers and storms over the next couple of days, but we're going to see actually a big drop in the coverage of our thunderstorm activity as we get later into this week. The reason why? Well, Saharan dust, and that's actually helping to limit the amount of tropical development too across much of the Atlantic. So we'll talk about that here coming up in just a bit. But what we're seeing right now on radar, not much, right? And that's going to continue to a quiet picture as we go through the rest of the night. And as you get ready to head out the door in the morning hours, I would expect to see a nice quiet start. An isolated rain chance early morning can't be ruled out, but we will start off the day with a southeast breeze, and that's going to help push the smoke that we saw coming into parts of the area, such as Doral and into Hialeah, Weston, Pembroke Pines. If you're smelling the smoke now, you will have some improvement as we get through the mid-morning hours with an increasing southeast wind, especially as we start to see some showers developing along the coastline that will help enhance that east-southeast breeze coming in from the water. But by the afternoon hours, the thunderstorm activity, like today, going to be focused across the interior and over the Everglades. It's going to be the best bet for thunderstorm chances for the afternoon. So that smoke will start to drift right back into much of the parts of Miami-Dade. Otherwise, by Wednesday morning, I think we're going to see more of an active day on Wednesday. In fact, an early start to some showers and storms on Wednesday along the Keys, including out toward Key West, including up toward coastal Broward County. We'll start off with isolated to scattered showers. They won't last very long. We'll actually have a bit of a break in activity before more storms start to flare up by Wednesday afternoon. And in some cases, rain-cooled air too, because the heat is on. We're looking at temperatures getting well up into the 90s, low to mid 90s for highs tomorrow. So those afternoon showers and storms, if we get some of that relief, then it'll make a difference with how it feels. Until then, it's going to feel by early to mid-afternoon like the mid-100s again for Broward County. And then across much of Miami-Dade County, temperatures are going to feel like the mid-100s, and certainly the Key is not escaping that either. It will feel like 101 in Key West for tomorrow. So as you're heading out the door the next few days, we've been in this hot pattern. That's not going to change really anytime soon. What we're looking at, though, is to see a better rain chance to bring at least some of that rain-cooled air or a stronger east wind, and we really don't see that taking place. So the dry air coming in that will limit the rain chances through the weekend, except only about a 20-30% chance. The best chance for any shower or storm, Lauren, will be really over the next 48 hours, Tuesday and Wednesday, before those rain chances drop off.